everyone. Today me and my group will be talking about Chapter 3, Basic Application Software. The learning outcomes for this chapter is to identify general purpose apps, describe word processors, spreadsheets, presentation programs, and database management systems, identify specialized applications, describe graphic programs, web authoring programs, and other specialized professional applications, describe mobile apps, app stores, and identify software suites, describe office suites, cloud suites, specialized suites, and utility suites. Basic application software are known as general purpose application and productivity application. These programs are widely used in nearly every discipline and occupation. There are four types of general purpose application, which is word processing software, database software, spreadsheet software, and multimedia software. Application software is a program or group of programs designed for end users. Each program is designed to assist the user with a particular process which may be related to productivity, creativity, and communications. The function of application software is to manage information, manipulate data, construct visuals, coordinate resources, and calculate figures. The categories of application software is general purpose applications, specialized applications, and mobile apps. The user interface or UI is the point of human-computer interaction and communication in a device. The common features in a UI are buttons, checkbox, command, icon, loader, notification, search field, and tab bar. What makes a good UI is a clear interface. This is because it helps prevent user errors, makes important information obvious, and contributes to ease learning and use. A consistent interface allows users to apply previous learned knowledge to new tasks, and effective applications are both consistent within themselves and consistent with one another. There are four types of general purpose application. That is word processor programs, spreadsheet programs, presentation graphic programs, and database management systems. A word processor program is a device or computer program that provides for input, editing, formatting, and output of text, often with some additional features. The function of this program is to create, edit, save, and print documents, copy, paste, move, and delete text within a document, formatting text such as font type, bolding, and underlining, create and edit tables, insert elements from other software such as illustration or photographs, and correct spelling and grammar. An example of the word processor program is Microsoft Word, which is commonly used. As we can see here, we can always find ribbon, tabs, groups, contextual tabs, galleries, spell checkers, alignment, font and font size, tables, and report every time we open Microsoft Word. Now, we're going to talk about creating a flyer. This process usually features spell checkers, alignment, grammar checker, font size, word wrap, and character effects. Now, my friend Joey will present next. Thank you guys for listening so far.
As I mentioned before, the word processing software is used to create a report. There is a wide variety of word processing software used for business communication. The report feature consists of autocorrect, footnote, header and footer, caption and cross-reference, and tables. The autocorrect is an automatic data validation function commonly found in word processor and text editing interface for smartphone and tablet computer. Then, footnote appear at the bottom of the page and endnote come at the end of the document. Header and footer are the topmost and bottommost section of the document respectively. A caption is a numbered label while close reference refer to figure in document, so that if the figure number change, this information will automatically update. And lastly, tables is a grid of cells arranged in row and column. The image below are the example of report visual in Microsoft Word. The second general purpose application is spreadsheet program. Spreadsheet program is a computer application for organization, analysis, and storage of data in tabular form. It is developed as computerized analog of paper accounting worksheet. The program operates on data entered in cell of a table. Today, Microsoft Excel is the most popular and widely used spreadsheet program, but there are also many alternatives, such as Google Sheet, Apple Number, OpenOffice CALC, Corel Quattro Pro, Lotus Symphony, and OpenOffice. There are some uses of the spreadsheet program. First and foremost, it can be used to create a cell forecast. Cell forecast is the backbone of a business plan. People measure a business and is grouped by cell, and the cell forecast sets the standard for expenses, profit, and growth. The feature consists of worksheet, text entries, function, cell, and formula. First of all, worksheet in Excel is a collection of cells organized in row and column. Text entry is an interface that is used to enter text information in an electronic device. Then, a function is a predefined formula that performs calculation using specific value in a particular order. A cell is a rectangular box that occurs at the intersection of a vertical column and a horizontal row in a worksheet. A formula is an expression that operates on values in a range of cells or a cell. The image below are the example of cell forecast feature in Microsoft Excel. Secondly, the spreadsheet program can be used to analyze your data. There are two features in analyze data, which is workbook and worksheet and what if analysis. The worksheet is single-page spreadsheet or page where you can write, edit, and manipulate data. The correction of such worksheet is referred as a workbook. The what-if analysis is the process of changing the value in cell to see how those changes will affect the outcome of formula on the worksheet. Furthermore, spreadsheet program can be used for the presentation graphic program. Presentation graphic program combine a variety of visual objects to create visually interesting presentation. It is a software package used to display information in the form of a slideshow. There are some examples for the presentation graphic program. Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice Impress, Apple Keynote, Google Slide, Corel Presentation, and Harvard Graphic. There are three presentation features to create a presentation: document theme, animation, and template. A document theme is a unique set of color, font, and effect. Themes are shared across Office program so that all of the Office documents can have the same and uniform look. Animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving image. Lastly, a template is a document type that creates a copy of itself when you open it. The third general purpose application is Database Management System, in short form DBMS. DBMS is a collection of related data. It is electronic equivalent of a file cabinet. There are some examples of the DBMS, such as Microsoft Access, OpenOffice Base, Apple FileMaker, and Google Object Base. The function of the DBMS is to create a database. The idea is to have a well-developed mission statement that can be referred to throughout the design process. The database feature consists of primary key, fields, record, table, and form. A primary key is a special relational database table column designated to uniquely identify each table record. A database field is a single piece of information from a record. A record is a collection of fields, possibly of different data types, typically in a fixed number and sequence. A table is a collection of related data held in a table format within a database, while a form is a database object that you can use to enter, edit, or display data from a table or query.
Okay, now it's my turn. Good afternoon, everyone. The subject of my presentation today is specialized application. Specialized application is a program that more narrowly focuses on specific discipline and occupation. For example, that is specially designed for an individual or company specific need. There are some specialized applications for end user need to be aware, which is graphic program, audio and video editing software, multimedia, web authoring, and artificial intelligence.
The first specialized application I want to introduce, which is called graphic program. The graphic program is widely used in graphic art like photograph, drawing, and light art. There are some examples for graphic program such as desktop publishing program, image editing program, installation program, and image gallery. Now I would like to introduce desktop publishing program. It is also known as page layout program. The program enables designer mix text and graphic to create a professional publication such as brochure, newsletter, newspaper, and textbook. Desktop publishing program is more easily to handle in this type of needed because it provides a lot of features to help the designer. For example, you can easily to place your text and photograph to do the position. Besides, this program typically guide you through a development of a project that you need to design your poster. You can choose poster option at the top that it will provide all the information you are needed to help in your poster design. The population program, which is Adobe InDesign, Microsoft Publishers, Quad Express only. Now is image editors. Image editors, also known as photo editors. Image editors enable users to edit and modify the appearance of digital photograph. Photograph consists of thousands of pieces that form image, known as biomet. Now you can see the photograph provided in the slide. In this photograph, you can see an enlarged character A. You also can see the combination of letters in the character A. That is a biomet. So with the photo editors, user can add some lighting filter, crop image, or even remove an object in the photo. There are some popular image editors which is Adobe Photoshop, Corel Paint Pro, and GNU Image Manipulation Program. I will discuss illustration program. Now, illustration program, also known as drawing program. This program used to create and edit vector image by using vector illustrations. Vector illustration is a vector artwork that made up of vector graphite. These graphite are point, line, curve, and shape that are based on mathematical formula. So, vector image use geometric shape or object to make it work. It also created by connecting line and curve based on mathematical equation. There are some population illustration programs such as Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and Inkscape. I will discuss on audio and video now. Firstly, I will introduce audio editing software. Audio editing software enables users to create and modify audio script. It can filter out some imperfections to produce a quality soundtrack. With this software, we can also create our own MP3. There are some well-known programs, which is Adobe Auditions, Apple GarageBand, and Audacity. Secondly, I will touch on video editing software. Video editing software enables users to edit video, enhance the quality and appearance of the video. For example, this software allows users to modify script like user can reduce the strength of the video or add some special effect such as words that move across the screen. Most of the television show and most movie and even the online videos are also created by audio and video editing software. There are some well-known programs, that is Adobe Premiere, Windows Movie Maker, and YouTube Video Editor. I will discuss video game design software now. Video game design software help the users to learn organized thoughts. It also guides the users through game design process in the character development and environmental design. For example, you can see the photograph provided in the slide. This is a logo microgram. User able to deliver character in this program, and user can also modify the character's movement. Besides, this program also provide a environmental design for the users. Users can design the environment that he needed, or even also can control the gravity in the game. There are some famous video game design software, which is Unity, Yo-Yo Game Maker, and Unreal Engine. I will discuss multimedia now. Multimedia is a form of communication that combines different contents from multimedia authority software able presenting information in form of a digital multimedia, which can combine text, graphic, audio, video, and animation together. I also found that some training center, education institutions, and online magazine publishers use multimedia authority software to deliver some interactive application. There are some well-known programs, which is Adobe Director, Micromedia Author. After that, I will discuss on web authoring. Web authoring typically used to create a commercial site. That means it helps users to create their own business website for various purposes, such as online store, restaurants, or small business. Besides, many individuals use it to create their own personal site called blog. Web authoring program, also known as web page editor or HTML editor. We often use WYSIWYG editor, which is what you see, what is what you get, to conduct this type of edit. All of you can see the picture provided in the slide. This is a widget editor. You can see the right hand side, I create our class timetable, and the left hand side provide a full HTML code. Therefore, we can use this HTML code to edit our website. So this is what you see, is what you get. There are some well-known programs such as Adobe Dreamweaver and Microsoft Express Web. Last but not least, I will discuss the last specialized application, which is artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is emulation of human sense through process and action. It also designed to help people and organizations to become more productive. There are three areas of artificial intelligence we will discuss later on, which is virtual reality, knowledge-based system, and robotics. There are also some well-known artificial intelligence software, which is Amazon Alexa, Infosys Nia, and Google Assistant. First, I will discuss on virtual reality. Virtual reality is an artificial or simulated reality. It is generated in 3D by a computer. The simulated experience that can similar or completely different from the real world. That means you can create all the things same with our world or just different from our world. Virtual reality widely used in entertainment, education, training, and robotics. The picture provided in the slide is the use of virtual reality in training sessions, which is in medical and military. This can help them to lower down their costs and stay away from danger. Secondly, I will discuss knowledge-based system. Knowledge-based system is a form of artificial intelligence that aim to capture the knowledge of human experts to support decision making. This means it can collect a lot of the information, then can help users to make a right decisions. Artificial intelligence that use a base data for assistance, and this base data also known as knowledge base. The earlier knowledge base system created to help doctor diagnose disease. Lastly, I will discuss on robotics. Robotics is a field of study concerns with using robots. Robots are computer-controlled machines, and it is imitating the movement of living things. There are three types of robots, such as perception system robot, which is imitating human sense. Industrial robot, it will perform tasks like the picture provided in the slide, and mobile robot is used to transport tasks. Now, I would like to invite my teammate Azlina to discuss on mobile apps.
Mobile application or mobile apps is a computer program or software application designed to run on a mobile device such as smartphone and tablets. It's also an add-on program for a variety of mobile devices such as Android or Apple devices. These mobile apps are breadth and scope ever expanding. That means these mobile apps are widely used by all and will always expand throughout time. For example, Android user can choose between 2.87 million apps in Google Play Store. This makes Google Play Store the biggest app store that have biggest number of available apps. Second biggest app store is Apple App Store that have almost 1.96 million apps for Apple user. These apps have specific function like for music, videos, social networking, games, and also finance. For example, like Spotify for music, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and like Mapping to You, and also CIMB Click. You will need App Store to download mobile apps that you desire. For Apple Store, you can get access from your Apple device and also website. For Android user, you also can open Google Play Store at your Android device and also website. This app Zoom, this is the first time that I heard this App Store. It's literally the same as Apple Store and Google Play Store. Also can get access from Android and Apple devices or from website. Software suite is a collection of two or more software programs that bundle and sold together as a group. There are four types of software suite. Firstly, Office suite or Productivity suite. This suite contains professional-grade app programs like spreadsheet, database management system, DBMS, word processor, and more. Example of this Office suite is Microsoft Office and Lotus Smart Suite. Secondly, Cloud suite or Online Office suite. This suite offered in the form of web application and can be accessed online using a web browser. Example of this suite is Microsoft 365, Zoho Workplace, and Google Docs. Google Doc is a tool that allows multiple people to work, collaborate, and edit within a single document in real time through any web browser. User can produce text document, slide presentation, spreadsheet, drawing, and survey. It's completely free and easy to use. It also can cross-platform. That means it can sign document across phone, tablet, and desktop. It also works both online and storage. It's also free online storage and can automatically sign it. That means we don't have to be afraid if we didn't press save because it will automatically save our document. There are many careers in IT. For example, software engineers. Software engineers is to analyze users' needs and create application software. To become software engineers, you must have good communication and analytical skill, have programming and web application experience, and also detail-oriented. Average salary in Malaysia is 79,300 annually. I look to the future, next generation user interfaces. Doubtful a single interface will serve everyone. This means in the future, there will be a guarantee that there are not any problems that will occur with other users. Next generation must be comfortable to use touchscreen, voice recognition, face ID, gestures, and also augmented reality (AR).